Imagine a manufacturing facility where access to critical control cabinets is secure, efficient, and traceable. In the age of smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0, traditional mechanical locks fall short. They lack authorization tracking, creating security vulnerabilities. The PML-080A mini electromagnetic lock from Pongee Electronics revolutionizes cabinet security. Integrated with an RFID access control module, it offers a solution that ensures only authorized users gain access. Let's explore how this system transforms control cabinet management. First, it features a modular architecture. This allows easy integration into existing control systems. This means installation is straightforward and efficient. Next, it centralizes multi-door management. One controller can manage multiple cabinets, simplifying operations in large facilities. Each unlocking event is recorded in real time, capturing user identity, time, and cabinet number. This enhances audit trails and maintenance tracking. What about application flexibility? This system is ideal for a range of environments, from semiconductor plants to energy automation, ensuring broad usage. When implemented, operations flow seamlessly. Authorized users swipe their RFID card, and the system quickly verifies credentials. The cabinet unlocks, and the event logs are uploaded to a management computer. This real-time monitoring empowers supervisors with live access data. The benefits don't stop there. This RFID-enabled access control drastically improves security and reduces administrative burdens. It eliminates the risks associated with physical keys, promoting efficient maintenance workflows. Think beyond just manufacturing. This solution fits perfectly in medical labs, smart logistics, and R&D environments, ensuring safe access to critical resources. Pongee Electronics also offers customization to meet specific project needs, making their solution adaptable and versatile. In summary, the PML-080A mini electromagnetic lock offers a smart, efficient, and secure way to revolutionize cabinet access management. Are you ready to enhance your facility's security and efficiency? Contact Pongee Electronics today to learn more about the RFID Smart Control Cabinet solutions.